Hey y'all, what is up YouTube? Sparky Marky Mark here, and I'm back. And also, folks, happy Halloween! And today I'm gonna be doing a double, you heard me, double review for these two movies. And give it a little comparison to a certain film. Two certain films. What the heck? So, what you're looking at here is Terrifier. That's right, you're looking at Terrifier. And essentially, it was a low-budget film made for under $100,000 or $35,000. Heck, what the heck? Correct me anyway. It's a bit of both. So yeah, this revolved around the villainous character of Art the Clown, who appeared in two short films and in a segment called All Hallows Eve, in which Art the Clown made appearances. And then suddenly we get this, Terrifier, and you see him as this. We know who he is, but also he's just some individual, and we don't know anything about him. And yeah, what's going on with this clown? Huh? What? Say what? Huh? Woo? Huh? What is this? And all of a sudden, you're seeing something like very off about him and his behavior when you're looking at him. And then towards entering one of the acts in the film, the ACTS, one of the entering second act is the revealing who he is. And then gore and mayhem happens and stuff. And definitely and also I'm a little bit, my pals and I, or myself, is homaging this movie to not Pennywise from It, or Friday the 13th, or Jason, or any of those. No. This kind of feels like the Terminator. Yeah, but different. Purely and simply evil. And I highly doubt hell sent him there or something. Or he just went insane. Who knows what's going on? Tour de force. A tour de force, huh? So yeah. But all in all, this film kicks butt. It kicks ass, gives names. You'll get it, you'll love it. So yeah, and then next up, we're going to be talking about this badass, oh yeah, badass sequel. And why am I saying about this badass sequel? Who's laughing now? Anyway, y'all, any of you's seen this, or you young BUCKS has seen it? Yo, dude, it is off the easy. Oh yeah, it's off the easy. Oh man. And yeah, it has a little bit of MCU-esque feel, but at the same time staying true to the tone of the first movie, but making sure it's a good follow-up. And our final girl, hold on a second. Our final girl is, yes, sort of a angel character. This final girl, who is she? And she's the final girl in the story. And the budget for this, folks, is $250,000. Too bad I wasn't aware of this of Indiegogo at the time, right before we were hit with the pandemic. If I had known, I would rather donate some. But oh well, maybe next time when they do a third one. I can't wait for it. So yeah, folks. Yo, and also you heard reports that there were ambulances at every theater in the state because people were reporting fainting and throwing up. Some people can't handle the gore. There is gore-tastic going on in this movie. When I say gore-tastic, a gore fest. Yes. It's wicked. It's wacky. It's insane. Really, it is insane. No lie, no kidding. So yeah. So, and also, folks, stick with the post-ending credit. You're in for a real treat. But also, we pick up right where the first left off. The sister of one of the victims is deformed at the hands of the villainous Art the Clown. And the next thing you know, there's a dream sequence revolving around something called the Clown Cafe. But it was just a dream. And the next thing you know, a fire happens. And then suddenly this sword starts to have something. And it would be the weapon of choice to defeat this monstrosity clown. You have the you have the kid brother, who's wacky youngster and stuff, like normal kid brothers are in every movie, different genres, and then suddenly we're, uh-oh, what's going on? What is that? Uh-oh. And then this film, and suddenly she saves the day, villain is destroyed. That's it. It takes place at the Funhouse, which is in the final act scene in the film. And then there's a post-ending credit. Shall I tell you or no? She's pregnant. Uh-oh. And it's to Art the Clown. A baby. Or just the head. Who knows? We're going to have to wait for the third installment, everybody. So yeah, after we saw the film, we were thrilled. We were pleased what we got. And also, this movie feels like the Terminator 2 of horror movies. Terminator 2 of horror sequels you'll ever see. And yeah, I say Terminator 2. The visuals, the style, the atmosphere taking place in the fall. Definitely has the bit of tone-wise to horror sequels. Quick to tell you more. Hold on. It has a feel of this movie, the first movie, and then this. Terrifier 1 and 2 are the Terminators of horror movies. That's what I think. That's what I think always. So yeah, if anybody wants to see these movies, please buy yourself a copy. And or you have Netflix, good for you. If you don't, buy it now. Go. So yeah, everybody. So that's all I'm telling you, folks. You're in for a real treat. Anyways, y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. And enjoy Halloween. Woo! Whoa! Catch you on the next vid, y'all. Enjoy Day of the Dead. Dia de la Muertes.